Like Johnny says, tonight Topstep TV is really quiet. I wonder why that could be. Tonight. Maybe they're watching somewhere where it's tonight.
Yeah, it might be. Right, that seems logical. That's what it says. We'll see. We'll see. This is. Can't hold here. My next level is going to be, well, right where we're going to use 230s. So I'll take this loss if it does hit. And I don't mind entering it again. Probably should have my small loss right there at these 220s. 220s. The right one.
68.45
Order filled.
When I see it's too much below this value area high from Friday. Which is coming in right here. 58.
Next up.
849.
68.41 3/4 would be the low of the Europe session. We hit around 2 a.m. this morning.
Order filled.
The one thing that makes me a little bit nervous here is going down to settlements now.
You know my overnight inventory. That was long. It's currently being reconciled. This gives us better trade location for loans.
Yes, sir. Nvidia is still percent. Tesla 4.25%. Broadcom down 2.25%. This move brings the VIX to 16.4. Let's call it. ES&Q both up 0.25%. Dow also up 0.25%. Russell up about 0.2. So pretty even. That's the index. Eduardo asks, what is settlement? Is it overnight lows? Settlement is where they mark the prices of the futures at the end of the day. It will usually be around the closing price. They have is it group or committee or something? The CME sets it.
Yeah, actually, technically it's the board of directors, but they have an automated system that just puts something in. So it's usually very close in the equities to the finishing or the closing price at 3 o'clock. Not exact, but it'll be close to that. But yeah, that's where they mark all positions for margins. Do so.
And they need that because they need to mark, as I mentioned, for margin reasons, they need to have a price that settles at the end of the day. I most closely associated with when I was trading bond spreads, wherever they would mark the settlement is basically where your P&L, if you were holding positions overnight, would be flat the next day. So if you got good settlement or bad settlement, you could start the day down a bunch of money that day, but you're up a bunch of money from the day before. So it would be where you held overnight, your P&L on the contract would flip from either positive to negative or negative to positive.
So
hang in here, guys.
Yeah, we're hitting at these 270s, 280s. I like that we're holding, which is very, very good. On the 5-minute chart, it's now flipping to a green. We have another 30 seconds, and that is a, what do you call it, hammer, inside candle, and then we'll look for maybe a 3-bar reversal looking for us here.
Put your hands into the 15-minute bars here.
There we go. Happy with that. Going to tighten up that risk now. 5-minute bar just closed.
Yes, that goes better.
Tesla's almost at 5%. That's.
What is it? Some sort of like taxi announcement or something?
I don't know. Did you get a robo-taxi, Jack?
Yeah. Oh, for like the future, I'm like a huge automated driving proponent because it'll bring all our insurance way down. Less people will get killed on the road. And it's not, like, I'll teach him how to drive, but I hope he doesn't have to. It should be much safer for them.
I agree with you on that. Well, we failed. No 3-bar reversal yet.
House is out. We're flat.
I don't think the options here keep on melting to these levels until like 68.25 or thereabouts. Not that I hope it doesn't drive. I just hope that in like 15 years, I hope that like automated cars are kind of a thing because I think that would be net good.
I agree with you. A human's reaction is not as good as the computer. Those NVIDIA chips.
Like, just think about it. Just sometime if you're not driving, you're on the highway somewhere, like a busy highway in Chicago. Look around and think of like how many people are out there that you're putting your life in their hands that you would not trust one iota with. Fuck.
Exactly, Jackie. All right, let's see if we go to settlement now. Because we're breaking through this level. No 3-bar reversal. See if we get these 230s. That's where we had some overnight support during the.
I mean, we do have the opening range, 1-minute opening range that has high things. So gotta be careful looking for longs. I liked it in the S&P. There's a lot of confluence on it. I'd be high from Friday and a bunch of other things, but just in play. Next.
All right. Now on that, and I told the story out here before, but I got like rear-ended full port on the on 1994 Vogue by by the individual who hit me. They not her car, never insured. She had recently been arrested for fighting a mall security officer.
Oh, jeez.
And she tried to drive away, and she was throwing wallets out the window of the car. Those are all that are on the road with you guys. Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. Was that, you mentioned before you were in an accident in a Volvo. Was that the Volvo?
I was. I've been hit twice in Volvos. That was a Volvo, and it did great. Like, we were stopped. I got hit pretty much full speed. And
Come back in. 260. So here's the reason why this is at one level, these 230s. The next one I have is basically going to be down here on Friday's low 140 if we can't hold this. The risk I see on this one is we break down below these 230s, sweep, because obviously, I was going to say, this is where a lot of people have their stops. This is where I have my stop. Sweep that and then reverse. But yeah, we'll see here. I'm looking for levels of support. I tried at these 280s, took a loss on that one. I'm trying here at these 230s, and see if this one will pan out. The reason why I still like it longs, I still see Nvidia up 1.5% and Tesla up over 4%. So the last thing is they're selling right at these 200s, so 30 points lower from here. They're selling it.
213.5.
213.5. Selling it.
going to kind of hold off a little bit before we start looking for any more longs, at least for now. Of course, I'm helping you, Dakota.
Hey, this could be a replay. Hopefully, it's knock on wood. Replay of Friday. Friday. We'll see. We shall see.
Would peak, as I mentioned, at 68.25.
Gold making new session lows.
Come on, bitch. You're gonna grab shit.
350. Finally, we're getting some downside movement in crude oil. Been talking about that for 3 days. Finally, we're starting to see a little bit of movement, but the opening range trade was validated, so we are not in it. Of course,
And you're down to 4.155. And other stocks of note. Core wheat down 6.5%. The Broadcom not having a good time right now.
Order
Intel
filled.
Cash, where's my? Ooh, Oracle down 4%.
no bounce here yet.
No, sir. Or as Myron, if shelter inflation does not decline, it might change the outlook for inflation overall. We do have the top of the hour. We got